In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Gemini AI, a task that's fairly simple but one that many users might overlook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the process. First things first, if you're not already familiar with what Gemini AI is, it's an intelligent platform that helps users in various ways. However, as with any online service, there comes a time when you might want to log out. Perhaps you're switching accounts, or maybe you're just done for the day. Either way, it's a good habit to log out, especially if you're on a shared device. So let's get started. The first step is to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Gemini app. You can do this easily by typing Google Gemini app into the search bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the search results. From there, just click on the link that leads you directly to the Gemini platform. Once you're on the Gemini interface, your next action is to look towards the lower left corner of your window. You should see your username displayed there. It's your unique identifier in the app, and clicking on it will lead you to more options. If you're ever unsure, it's usually a good idea to hover over your username to see the drop-down menu appear. That will offer you several choices. Now click on your username. Doing so will reveal the options available to you in the drop-down menu. One of these options is crucial for our purpose today: signing out of all accounts. Take a moment to find this option. It should be clearly labeled Sign Out of All Accounts. Once you've located it, simply click on that option. After you click on Sign Out of All Accounts, you may see a notification or a confirmation message that pops up, asking if you're sure about this action. Don't worry, this is totally normal as the app wants to prevent you from accidentally logging out. Confirm that you want to proceed. With that click, you're officially logged out of Gemini AI. It's important to remember that logging out is an essential step, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. It helps protect your information and keeps your account secure. If you're using your own device, you might not feel the need to log out every time, but it's still a good practice to do so at the end of each session. That's all there is to it. You've just successfully logged out of Gemini AI. If you faced any challenges during the process, or have any additional questions about the platform or related topics, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Before we wrap up, let's recap the steps briefly. First, search for the Google Gemini app. Next, locate your username in the lower left corner. Then, select the option to sign out of all accounts. And that's it. Logging out of Gemini AI is quick and straightforward. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future guides. Your support really means a lot and helps me continue to create content just like this for you. Until next time, happy logging out!